We're so glad you've joined us in giving nature a helping hand. Our organic birdhouse isn't just a charming addition to your garden or balcony. It's a small but meaningful way to invite more life in. By giving birds a safe place to nest and rest, you're helping nature thrive right on your doorstep. Let's take a closer look at our organic birdhouse. It consists of 3 different pieces. First, we have the beautifully crafted exterior house. Then a matching interior house, designed with care inside and out. Next, the bird slider. Each side has a unique opening, and the different openings attract different bird species. These are marked with unique engravings displaying the most common types of birds. Do any of these look familiar to you? The bird slider easily clicks into the interior house like so. The interior house can then be placed inside the exterior house, like so. And by working together with the best experts in Europe, we've designed it to offer the best for any bird, keeping them cool, safe, and dry. Made entirely from 100% recycled plastic and built to last a lifetime. A cozy place for birds to nest and rest, helping them thrive in our ever-changing environment. The complete birdhouse can be easily mounted onto a wall using a screw, or onto a tree using the straps. Did you know that the organic shape of this birdhouse allows it to be hung from any side? Now that's a true beauty, right? And now, to help birds feel at home, follow these easy steps. Birds prefer a peaceful and sheltered spot, so avoid direct sunlight and face the house north or east to protect from wind and rain. Late winter to early spring is ideal, just before nesting begins. Keep birdhouses and feeders at least 3 meters apart. For the same species, aim for 10 meters or more, because birds like a bit of personal space too. This task is taken care of by the birds themselves, keeping their space just the way they like it. Now all that's left to do is sit back and enjoy nature.